Good morning, guys. Just wanted to bring you guys a forecast on the stock Cron or Cronos. Okay, so basically this one was brought to my attention by someone in a Discord group, and I decided to take a look at it. Okay, I don't typically trade stocks, but I just wanted to show everyone that the techniques that I use can be applied to basically any instrument, whether it's stocks, currencies, cryptos, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this one is Cronos, and I'm looking at this as a harmonic pattern. Okay, now this harmonic pattern is not one that most of you, well, any of you will be familiar with, because this one is my discovery. Okay, it's not one from the Scott Carney and the other guys who have discovered harmonic patterns. This is one that I have discovered myself. I've discovered 54 harmonic patterns. It's actually a lot more than that, but I have combined some of them into forming one harmonic pattern and just given them different potential reversal zones. Okay, different PRZs. All right, so this one has two reversal zones. So this is basically, you can say this is two patterns put into one. All right, so we have Cronos here, and I'm expecting that it's going to get to this area, the 1127 area, before it gives. I would expect a correction. Okay, and when I say a correction, I'm talking about something that looks like this, like a three-wave move back to this area here before we continue to the upside. Okay, I'm looking for something like that. Whether it does it from here or here, I'm expecting a three-wave move to the downside, and then we go up. Okay, so those who want to sell this, I don't think now is the best time to be looking to sell this. I think now is the time to be looking to buy this up to this area or this area here. Okay, let me just let me change. Oh no, I'll draw this in first. Okay, so we get a correction here, and then we go up. Let me change the color of that. Okay, so I'm expecting one of these scenarios to play out. Either from this area we reverse in at least three waves, or we can form some other type of corrective formation. Okay, but I'm expecting it to give a correction at this area or this area in at least three waves or some other type of corrective pattern, and then we go to the upside again. Okay, why am I looking at it like that? I'm looking at it like that because I see this as a reversal. This area here, I'm looking at this as a reversal, a complete reversal. Okay, now this leg, all right, this leg here was the first impulse. All right, first impulse to the downside, and we can look at this and we can look at this and call it a corrective impulse, right? So this is a corrective impulse to the downside. Then we got 1, 2, 3. That's our three-wave correction for more downside. Okay, so after that three-wave correction completed itself, we got more downside. However, we did not get another wave like this. Okay, we did not get another wave like that. Now, why did we not get another wave like that? Let's test this theory. Okay, I use market geometry, right? So most of you probably don't know what market geometry is. It's similar to the measured move of a AB equals CD move. Okay, it's very similar to a AB equals CD move. I just apply the geometry in a different way. Okay, so I have this measured move here, which some of you may want to look at as AB equals CD. All right, so we're looking for AB equals CD at this area here. Okay, so if that happened, AB equals CD, so this is A, B, C, and this is D. Okay, the price would have gone all the way down to around $3 or so. Okay, so that did not happen. So earnings came out in this area and price shot up. Now let's take this off. One second. All right, sorry about that. So earnings came out in this area and price shot to the upside. And the way how price came to the downside, it did not come impulsive like this. Okay. Now, because it did not come impulsive like this, that is an early signal to let you know that the price is not going to continue to the downside. It's actually preparing to go to the upside. Now, for those of you who know me, you know that I look at the market as creating a language. Okay. So it's actually talking to you. It's telling you what it wants to do. Okay. And it tells you when it's going to do it as well. All right. So we can go deeper into it, into when it's telling you to do what and so on, but I'll leave that for a different show. Okay. So basically this was a corrective wave. And for those of you who understand the Elliott wave theory, you know this is W, X, Y, X, and this is our Z wave here. And that's the end of the downside. Once you get your Z wave, that's the end of the downside and we are looking to go up. Okay. Now, here is another way that we could have been looking at it. We could have been looking at this as WXY, and then we look at this as one wave. 1, 2, 3. Look at that as one wave, making this W. Look at this as X, and then we look for Y. Okay? And looking for Y, we look for a measured move of this wave here, this entire move here. Let me do it for you. Okay, so it's something like that, and you project that here. Okay, so this is your W, X, and your Y. Okay, look at that to perfection. Okay, that's where this wave was supposed to end, right at this area. Okay, but as you can see, it did not end there. It gave a little reaction, yes, because a lot of traders are looking at it that way. Okay, so it's based on the different ideas that traders have. Well, the big traders, whatever ideas that they have, the charts are going to take the formations to basically show that that's what they're looking at or that's what they're looking for. Okay, so it will react in those areas because those areas are the areas that they will be reacting to price. Okay, so there was a reaction here because this was looked at as W, X, and Y using market geometry. Okay, so since that is not the formation that the price is actually taking, what was supposed to happen here was, let me just adjust this once more. All right, so what was supposed to happen here was we were supposed to get this wave. This wave was supposed to come at this point. Okay, taking us back to this level here, $3.40 approximately. Okay, but that did not happen. We gapped up and price continued to rally. Okay, now let me just take these off. Let me try to show you where the price changed. Okay, so I believe price changed in this area. This was our first three-wave move, and we were supposed to get our next impulse here, but it did not do that. It gave us a correction, a corrective wave, and that corrective wave took off to the upside. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and this is 3. All right, now it's forming a harmonic pattern. That is why it constructed itself in this manner. It's not a WXY. It's not a flat pattern. It's a harmonic pattern. That's the only reason why it formed in this way. Okay? So we will play it as a harmonic pattern. This harmonic pattern is not known to the world. Okay? Well, maybe institutional traders understand this harmonic pattern. They use it. Okay? But it's not one that is public. Now I'm just disclosing this harmonic pattern to you. It's mine. I have not disclosed majority of my harmonic patterns to the world as yet. Okay? But I'm just using this one just to show you, let you have an idea. All right. So I'll say look for upside on this one. And at these areas, we will see this reverse. Okay? My time is running out. So I'll leave you guys with this one. If you need more information, you can see more posts on TradingView. Okay? Bye-bye for now.